Hi students, welcome to Preparation Info for Pharmacology GPAT 2021 Part 8. In this video I am going to discuss about 10 multiple choice questions with answer. Question number 71. Atropine overdose may cause which one of the following? A. Gastrointestinal smooth muscle cramping. B. Increased cardiac rate. C. Increased gastric secretion. D. Pupillary constriction. The right answer is increased cardiac rate. Atropine activates latent ectopic pacemaker that is located on the outside of the SA node. It causes additional cardiac beat, thereby it increases the heart rate. Question number 72. Fight or flight state can be described as A. Sympathetic active, parasympathetic quiescent. B. Sympathetic active, parasympathetic active. C. Sympathetic quiescent, parasympathetic active. The right answer is sympathetic active and parasympathetic quiescent. Question number 73. Postural hypotension is a common adverse effect of which one of the following types of drugs? A. ACE inhibitor. B. Alpha receptor blocker. C. Arteriolar dilator. D. Beta 1 selective receptor blocker. The right answer is alpha receptor blockers. Postural hypotension takes place when changing in position. It leads to fall in blood pressure when changing in position from lying to sitting or from sitting to standing. Alpha blockers, they lower the vascular resistance and interrupt the baroreceptor reflex response. Thereby it leads to postural hypotension. Question number 74. Rest and digest state can be described as A. Sympathetic active, parasympathetic quiescent. B. Sympathetic active, parasympathetic active. C. Sympathetic quiescent, parasympathetic active. The right answer is sympathetic quiescent, parasympathetic active. Question number 75. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. A. Sympathetic system increases the rate of SA node. B. Sympathetic system causes constriction of coronary arteries. C. Sympathetic system causes increased motility of GIT smooth muscles. D. Sympathetic system causes constriction of sphincter in GIT. The right answer is sympathetic system causes increased motility of GIT smooth muscles. In this condition, parasympathetic nervous system causes the increased motility of GIT smooth muscles. Question number 76. Denervation supersensitivity includes A. Proliferation of receptor. B. Loss of mechanism for transmitter removal. C. Increased post-junctional responsiveness. D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Denervation means loss of nerve supply that leads to increase the sensitivity post-synaptic membranes to a chemical transmitters after innervation. Question number 77. Recognized adverse effect of quinidine include which one of the following? A. Syngonism. B. Constipation. C. Lupus erythematosus. And D. Increase in digoxin clearance. The right answer is syngonism. Quinidine is antiarrhythmic agents which are derived from bark of syngonap tree. In overdoses, it leads to syngonism. Question number 78. Which one of the following diuretics would be most useful in patients with cerebral edema? A. Acetazolamide. B. Amiloride. C. Furosemide. And D. Mannitol. The right answer is mannitol. Mannitol is a sugar alcohol that decreased water and sodium reabsorption in renal tubule. It acts as a osmotic diuretic. It reduces intracranial pressure by reducing the brain volume by decreasing the water content in brain. Question number 79. The most suitable mydriatic for a patient of corneal ulcer is A. Atropine sulfate. B. Comatropin. C. Cyclopentolate. D. Tropicamide. The right answer is atropine sulfate. Question number 80. The most effective antidote for belladonna poison is A. Neostigmine, B. Physostigmine, C. Pilocarpine, and D. Methacholine. The right answer is Physostigmine. Physostigmine is an anticholinesterase inhibitor. It is used for a antidote for belladonna poisoning. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, comment and share. We will meet again.